guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Make una come here, oh, make una come here, my lovely people. Make una come here how Rita, oh, I don't know why they pretend, how she feel. How she really feel about Enogie and his wife. And they were forming friendship. Hey, God have mercy. Make una come here, oh, let me hear, no go here. Make una come here. Let's play it, guys. Please, as you are joining in, just help me to thumbs up the video. Let your comment flow. Your opinion, your comment, let it flow on the comment section. Help me to share as well if you are kind enough. And as you do, God will bless you, my lovely people. Make una come here, oh, my people. Not be everybody will follow person laugh, not be your friend. Not be everybody will follow you open it. Especially social media own as scam. The real thing, they go hide that, they go pretend with one another, they fake am. Whereas the thing not sweet reach their mind. Make una come here, my lovely people. Oh yeah.
If I talk, say, this thing with the Enogie and the wife, he not tire me. He not weak me. He not frustrate me since morning. I lie now they talk.
Please comment. Let me welcome you. If you are listening.
He frustrates me to the extent I'm even ashamed to come to live video to come and talk about his shame just to worry me.
Say shame, even the warrior is normal, sha, because all this association of a group where belong to where they form group, if they are person for shit, they supposed to shame you, return, not be lie. You're supposed to shame. The thing even prevents you not to enter live video morning till night. Now in the night you can't summon courage. They can't talk your mind. The real thing where you hide for inside mind, you can't talk. Wow, clap for yourself. You have done so well. Mona, listen, my lovely people.
Shame. Now this one that they call Enogie, not Sake.
Oh, yeah.
Shame.
Return Kokobiri, why please say your gang group where you belong, shame and disgrace they before them. Selekia or dead there, Iyore or dead there. All your people you just draw near body. Go on and they form yeah friendship for social media or good friendship. Make I put on like that. Anyone. Shame and disgrace. I've been at your head. No, say you know your luck not work for you. I've been at your head. They cause them bad luck. I'm just asking. Where is the bad luck coming from? Because the shame and disgrace where they before people where you get close to. I don't understand. It's alarming. It's alarming. It's terrible. I bet my lovely people comment. Let me welcome you. Thumbs up and share the video. Then we listen. Why be say people will just surround Rita Kokobiri? Shame and disgrace. Heavy one. They before them. Terrible shame and disgrace. Terrible things they happen around their life. Why? Guys, be careful who you mingle with. If you mingle with somebody and you waiting on what happen, things they turn upside down for your life, run. Some people carry bad luck. Some people carry bad luck, bad spirit, now they get. Run.
Many times I go on my live video, I go find again. I go on my live video, I go find again. I go on my live video, I go find again.
Say many times before she summon courage to do this video, to pour her heart, the real mind where she get towards these people. He said she go on live video, she go off him again, she go on and she go off him again, she go on and she go off him again. Because the shame and disgrace is too much. Yeah? But Selekia, you know, so you see do they on now they offer me again, they on live video, they offer me again. Hey, oh listen, what I know verse.
He reached 4 or 5 times.
Ew. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Tuesday happened.
Easily, my darling people.
Hey.
It was 3-4 times. When I go into live video,
Hey, people, wait till I give me comments. I want to see the comments.
That's why I just carry my hand put for shame. They listen to Enogie and a wife. She be like, say, is it a prank or is it a reality? Now, prank that they prank. At a time, I enter Enogie live video again. I see, he share the new page where wife new creates. I say, but what kind of prank will be this one? Where all these things, where all these people just speak common format?
She was
pranking a like a prank in her hair, and I don't get it. No, be small to you. Do you even know that I don't even know Mama Nora? I don't know TikTok. I don't even know whether she did TikTok. Now this is your saga now. Now make me know where to say she did TikTok. There are blogs where some Rototarians they make me, they carried me go through. I can't see and say a video ni Nora with TikTok. Now today I even call you all of them, all the videos which she do for TikTok. Now today I can't go through all of them. They listen now and they listen to since.
Yeah.
All the videos which she do for TikTok. I don't even know whether she did TikTok. She know the me. I Nora wa do quality TikTok even. Me know the enter TikTok. So I even go there. The way where people go take jump, people where you don't know go take jump into your video to come and say they want to follow you play game. I don't know them before. Now they drive me come for that place. I don't really understand that place like that. Unless maybe I do social video, I post put. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Enogie, Mama Nora, una disappoint people.
Hello guys, please talk.
Since yesterday, people where not even fit talk to now. And so that they call plenty people where they around them. They go. Nobody know whether you people are pranking. Nobody even know what to say. Whether it's a prank, whether it's a plan work. I was too many thoughts they passed through my mind. I've been a money when I wanted to do marriage and I define. I don't really know what I want to talk. I be what total arrange to say when I want to do marriage because of say marriage they come why you know me and not bother anywhere and what drag it to the end of the world. No, not drag down to the end of the world so that the attention will be back close. The attention go full where people please help me to share this video, my darling people. People will really listen to now. Like people will be I don't know what to say. One thing that is very difficult for me is to talk on husband and wife issue. I know they like them because I understand say anything can happen tomorrow. Husband and wife issue, Rita not let me rest. People will know now. They don't let me rest. Let me just play one audio for you. Now some people they cry for Isaias for you and Mama Nora. Is it a prank that is emotional prank? This one they call it emotional blackmail. If it's prank, Enogie and a wife. If to say a prank, una do so. Or no na a prank, una reach what person they run for life. Honestly, if to say a prank, but at this moment, the way I come to the look, I be like say don't be prank because now they don't tell me all these things they happen right from time.
Are you guys hearing it?
They pranking at him. Wawase na lena. Oh my God, guys, automatically here it go just start not to even come close to you people.
Yeah.
But if to say no be prank,
Sweet, I greet
Mama
you.
Nora. Imagine when you hear go wagon, hear ya till me mawa. I don't know. Very difficult. Husband and wife matter. We love over one here going shy. Oh. Well, how will people feel to say Rita won't say new no control no matter the look on was the side of my city man they will Enogie. True to God, we do not know they cannot go now because Mama Nora disappoints me. Even if they are like a for why you me shame. Oh. Not be today, Mama Nora start to disappoint me. This year, and no give her to. Mama Nora don't disappoint me before. The Elenia Enogie, now you can't disappoint me. We, or I tell you the here. The day when Mama Nora disappoint me, and the day when they shout, give precious milk for life video, when you tell her, say me, leave Sarah matter. When they shout for her. That very day. And some of the rudeness when I come to follow. I was following some of the rudeness of Mama Nora to really understand that I can't see and say, I don't know what exactly is her problem or what she's passing through inside the house. But they really they show say, I don't know. If you ask me my observation, it might beg you not having a man not love Enogie.
Say Mama Nora not love Enogie.
You don't take Mama Nora when I did notice and say, you don't love that boy. Out of you and Enogie, now you with the Mama Nora, let me even take passing on my own. But I have to swallow and tell you the truth.
Yeah.
You might beg you when I don't love Enogie. I see you like person where you don't understand marriage. You don't know what to be marriage. You just won't go inside. You don't really know what they use marriage to mean. My understanding in a marriage. Yeah. We are losing Enogie, Mama Nora.
What are the list?
Every mama issue is going to be very difficult. The matter come away now.
How she see
Some
about them?
children we just know like that way they carry they go. I'm not by more go. You know what another thing we that for me saga remember to even talk say I like you in wetter in the guy down the AVT where now you see anybody we ready to fuck make on fuck. PJ Nora. PJ Nora. Oh. Shit man. The marriage in one marriage when they pay your bride price just one more to go for you. You see anybody we ready to fuck because of anger for TikTok. Anyway, why you let TikTok here to Tarudoa? You see anybody we ready to fuck me come fuck ye Nora.
Good evening, pretty.
My sister.
I greet you.
Where they around you, where you will know say you will feel talk to. When we are taking, when you are taking, where we are taking.
Hey.
You don't even look me like say, if Enogie do you something, you drag me come into Enogie, I can really be of a very bigger help.
Really?
And what make me disappointed for your matter?
Really?
Honestly.
Really?
You know if you
fake friendship when they do till they record each other, keep for future purpose.
okay, maybe your mother don't understand Europe, your father don't understand Europe, other people can mock you, they can laugh at you, but Rita will never do that.
Really?
Oh, disappointing.
Oh, you recorded Lolo now? Lolo, they discuss with you. You recorded this? Not the fake friendship that they do for the media.
Because of women.
Oh, wow.
Honestly.
Wow.
You like it when the time where you got on the road, which one will come be? What was that? Is it Nora? It's a pity, my darling. Au fond, qui vient au prix, what be
yeah.
wait, they don't be even the Enogie. You, Mama Nora. If to say this one won't be prank, my darling.
Oh, I can't listen to you.
Imagine I have to me where. If someone was pushing Enogie, feeling we were him.
He said now, Mama Nora na kind of woman where they now she they push Enogie for trouble. Hey God though. They say something not happen, you know, go know so people mind how they really feel about you. And that be this one so. Reality, Rita Kokobili dog pour her mind, her reminds. She has come out of pretense and pouring her mind. When I come here, Friendship for social media among presenters, I tell you, say na scam. I mean, they know the bother, they know the year. Now scam is obviously scam and it's obviously fake. It's all about pretense. I don't know why they pretend they form friendship where friendship not there. When I come here, oh, he said, Mama Nora, now bad woman where they push Enogie, put for fire, they put her for trouble. One I hear, oh.
Now one waiting. Oh, mommy, person they use power for life matter.
I greet you, babe.
You want they use power. They know they use power to do life matter. This kind one way when I come carry consensus with this kind of marriage, when they carry this one, they go and give. Do you people know that these things when they do so?
Hey.
It will not only affect you now, it's going to affect your life, your entire life.
Really?
Let me tell you, people, you know, say, why we make a way, you need notice you one video now.
He say why not they quick to talk for their matter? Why in the fear, then they fear, then no in the fear, then they say that not fear, you know they talk for their matter. Is more listening. I'm not someone able to interpret this thing tire me.
He's a very greedy person.
Say no get a greedy person.
Enogie, a greediness of Enogie, or you get a big.
He said the greediness of Enogie is too big. He said the greediness of Enogie is very, very big. Very big. One of the listening, oh, this one friendship, fake friendship where they parade. There's some sample for social media. And this is how they feel about themselves. Why the pretense? How can you be friends with somebody that you know that's in way get as it be, you don't like, and you know in way now upside down? They go to form love, friendship for outside, whereas na lie. They feel differently in the inside of them, in their hearts, towards themselves. Just to pepper the friendship on social media. Oh, wow. Let's listen.
Financially, Enogie is too greedy. Even Nora is very rude. They go with someone. You know, they look person, rich person. Enogie now do greedy.
Hey, where?
However, Enogie if you value people who even they aside, past people who or money have a baruwa. The character in notice will go one. Anybody will be say you're a small attention seeking spirit. A relationship in low. You can't overlearn that one.
This one how she feel about them.
Mama Nora. They don't know mama.
My question is, if this shame and disgrace no Mama Nora and Enogie no carry their shame and disgrace, can they put for her side? This one for not talk her mind how she feel about them. This is an opportunity, so she has to pour it out. Then why was the pretense? Why pretense? Say Mama Nora is so rude and disrespectful. And Enogie is so stingy, so greedy. Hey! Hey, way!
The person where teach person walk, where they tone voice to.
Hey!
Yeah.
I agree to na. Oh, see, Jenny, I greet you, my lady. He said the one where Enogie talk, she no hear am. I'm not supporting anyone, but as Enogie they beat her, she said it to hurt him. He said, I agree, it is fake. Now, fake friendship that they do, my beautiful lady Jenny. Now, fake friendship that they do. Now, she's not pouring her real mind. How she really feel about them. Let's listen. Because of time.
You see that thing where you go to for where a bad day yesterday. Ha! Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Oh my God. To even open mouth talk that kind of thing. for where a part day to say why well if they pretend.
Please guys, send me to thumbs up. Send me to thumbs up.
If they pretend, but you don't like them. If they plan, say you deal with them for future. Is you know that who na seek my darling, my sister. When you get a big character betray, you may get a betray. I know they like betray. Yeah, anybody where they betray at the room. I know they like people where they betray person. My darling, no matter why you hold, you Nora. Go say no matter where you be, my darling. Honestly.
Wow.
That is a typical betraying kind of character. You see what you and Enogie the display for Facebook since 2 weeks just to come before I can start this na chorus. Eh? Who are gari egbu wa magmon wa mine? Waifa. Who are gari egbu wa magmon we irishi. People genuinely love you guys and share their emotions with you. And you people turn it to a money-making machine.
Hey.
People emotion. Why not turn emotion of people to a way? I don't know what to say about you people. I've been because I consider that KO family because I never need you. Wow, did you know Enogie? What can you?
You say when it comes to money, they are capable of anything. Yeah.
I've been this KO family own way when I
Please, guys, send me to thumbs up the video.
Because you just see, say, Facebook, 1 or 2 things, or you go no one, social media. Husband and wife don't fight for themselves, they don't fit talk for themselves, they don't fit correct for themselves again. Mama Nora, you will join that TikTok, who are you one go? If person they listen to what you they talk, echo flow, So you believe you could confide on social media people? Nobody feel really like you then.
Yeah.
You believe you feel confide on social media people like that? With having no weight, no lifetime way to husband where you say you marry. We be all those heavy things where they come out for your mouth.
Hey.
Now so the peace for us.
Ah, wow, man, I can't listen.
They cause mama. All those things. Nora. Oh my God.
Johnson, I am here. Oh. Johnson said, Mommy love, where have you been? Long time no see. How is family? Family is good. I'll be here. It's you that didn't check up on me. Welcome, my darling.
Mama Nora. Was so cold, honestly.
Ah, wow.
I just say I know the way be boo yeke. Now you feel fuck up like this. Okay, wait. Enogie the fine paper. Mama Nora, how that men take they get paper for Jenny? How you say they take they get paper? Now this same way we una this, so now that men take they get paper. Not be only Germany, all over Europe, abroad. Is it different from what is happening in other people who? Apart from say the man go carry you come from Nigeria. You bring you come from Nigeria, see they come, you don't get passport as a party carry your wife come. You get passport, you go carry you, but my now they different. Your insecurity just big for no reason.
Yeah?
Nora. If woman know they work on the self, na insecurity na they finish am.
Away.
Insecurity will come the chop you, they go. Why?
Away. Away. This is how you feel about them.
Why in Wawa? This thing will not do. Why Galilee here? So now why gather the lily here?
So let's not follow the wakao.
Marital issue. Wait, they say as now just carry and come spread down for live video. I don't know what I want to tell you now.
Hey. Wala deo.
Come on, anyone why they trust no why they believe him. For many years they trust them and always say no why we this I don't know what to tell you people.
So I don't know what to tell you people.
I chill. Is Nora? Some people get belay for this country, then they go work, so that if they work, their husband will fit get paper. That one is nothing at all. It's a sacrifice that everybody do in their home. Because that man, they can't collect that paper. They can't also see, Enogie, they always they talk of say, people say, me you go work. You say, well, I'll go work. I know they work for Facebook. Enogie, not be Facebook, not be work, which I'm want from you to take get paper. You can never use that one to get paper in this country. Which document you say open give up for this country? When they say they work for Facebook and they pay tax, what tax are you paying that you will deliver to get your document in this country? You need to follow the German style. Facebook is American style. It does not give you paper here. German need their rules and regulations too for you to take paper in their country. Facebook is strictly American. It has nothing to do with German when it comes to taking documents. Imagine they understand. In Nora, it's like you never understand where you do. It's still the, you know, say job center. Some kind of people will be say job center. They give them money. That they still they pay them. That they do some stuff. That they say that's where you go be. They go. They don't know what they wait them for phone. In Nora, Enogie say where my sister why boloja ilebuna. I am telling you because I know what I'm saying. Nora, you go suffer.
Ijo, she go suffer.
You see, if don't expose the best of exposing you to nine. You go suffer. Now try to tell you. Now Germany I did. I know what I'm. This is Germany. When I go there, what if you are going to the next 18 years of your life, and you are young alone without a man.
Wanna help me thumbs up? Oh, as not the listen. Thumbs up the
possible. Don't be you where you don't even upgrade yourself, so Nora.
He say, Mama Nora not even the upgrade herself. Wanna listen, this is how she feel about them. Oh God, Baba. Pretense too much for friendship this day, Sha. What they feel about you different. What they will be sugarcoating you. Why friendship is going on go different. God help us. Now what?
Enogie, how can you be in Germany? I mean, there's no way going until they even upgrade on us safe. People go preach for life video, preach. How you direct it?
Before now, why you go use the direct it? Before now, why you not call them privately? Tell them, so since you know better. Why keeping it until their shame and disgrace is now roaming around the social media? Although it's good you are saying it anyway.
They even collect. Enogie, you can't be sitting on live video 24 hours and be talking about documents. This is not how they get documents in Germany. You people should grow up. Imagine that you are going
please,
every day, Enogie, 5 o'clock in the morning. From 7 o'clock in the morning, Enogie, they live video say they find paper for Germany. Who they like giving her like that? They lie.
A true friend. You already know their condition. Why did you call them indoor before now and educate them since you know better what's happening, what the law in Germany, how it works in Germany? Why didn't you call them before now and private talk them? I say they see true friend, not be all this eye service friend who they do for social media. Social media friendship one they do now. Eye service is too fakey. It's so obvious that it is a scam. Friendship none of they do. Scam. Fake. Now wow.
Money tonight. What you they do?
They bomb money tonight. See what they do. They born children. Giving birth to children is not easy.
network, my darling people.
Oh, wow.
My face, that my Facebook is being flagged on my network. Salut, boy. Now, wow.
Oh, and my network, they okay. So, I bet lovely people, if my network is okay, let me know. Please say yes if my network is okay.
You see, life where you want to create, so when people they see front, they tell you, say, this thing, it go hard for front, you don't know. You see what you want to do for Facebook, so, Enogie, where you and Mama Nora they do. It's not by force to say with people that you are not compatible with. To say, me and you need together, we need to separate, everybody need to do it. It's very good, Enogie. Don't be saying no good. But you sure say all these things will not display for our side, so. You don't go affect the place where we still they go. Because the people where they wash now want to go meet. That is where the problem is. The way they make people they say every yama is not concerning, especially a marriage way.
Okay, let me quickly read some comments. It says for Rita man, she gets sense. Very, very foolish person like Rita. Now so your husband they treat you. Your Kokobiri husband good and not one of his family member was in your marriage. Okay. He said she's saying the truth. Okay, Grace says she's saying the truth. Suzanne, he said exactly mommy love crow na snake. Okay. And wow. All these truths. If where they see better friend. Not be out in Kasala go bust. Their shame and disgrace full aside. Fire is burning on the mountain. Not be your con they give what you know. A true friend, a genuine friend that really love you deep down from their hearts. Already their condition is outside. Since you are in Germany, you know better. Why didn't you call them privately? You know, before now, say, my brother, I know so not get document. And Mama Nora get. See where to go about it. Now, Germany, I did. I know better. Like me, Nana, I know the law where they happen for Spain. I don't know what they happen for another country. Now, where I there, I know. As a true friend, why didn't you give them this piece of your advice before now? Now, nothing's done spoil. This is what I call hypocrisy. Now, nothing's done spoil. You don't say beyond repair. You say in your ritoto, they come cry for your inbox. You're not good, man. You're not top put. Now you are not telling the whole world Enogie is so greasy. Mama Nora is a very rude and mannerless person. Now you're not saying the real thing that you feel about them. But before now, you people are licking each other. I love you, my person, my bestie, my friendship, my own. Why the pretense? This is an hypocrisy talk. Even though some points you are correct. But is it a true friend? Is it this way you are supposed to bring it? Is it this time you are supposed to bring it? Why was it not before now? As a true friend, that you already know their condition, their lifestyle, their life and everything is outside. Everybody know that no get of that document the children have, Mama Nora has. All this one good advice now, for betterment of their life. Why didn't you give it to them? Is it not that things are spoiled? You are not telling them that you know. You are pretending following them that they cannot be talked to, they cannot be trusted, they are very greedy, they are very rude, they are very foolish, this and that. Why now? That means not pretend on a day. Friendship of pretense. I love you for by lips, but by heart, bitterness, hatred. By lips, I love you, I like you. Hey! I mean, they talking. Social media among presenter friendship na scam. Fake. Quote me anywhere. Fake. Why Crocro not tell them all this before now? Now they talk as she have her mentor why she not coach her. Now after problem done, that is not a friend at all. It is not. This is not. Now be the pretense now. What do they do with themselves? They form friendship outside, whereas na lie. Whereas na lie. They hated themselves.
The way they I'm not here to come and condemn the both of you, but the ignorant way they na body on the bag when they
He said the ignorance where they their body is too big, where should they see? So you know say ignorant fool their life, and they were your friend. They were your person. You that know better couldn't tell them. You were pretending about it. You were forming friendship that is not there with them. Ah, God help us. Help us. Help us. With our fellow human. Help us, Lord Jesus. Ah! Jenny say, Rita is a wicked person. Very wicked. Mommy Lord Krokro herself not get documents. How she know waiting they happen mumu return. Okay. Hey God. You see all this pretend that eye service friendship what they do. Eh? You go out there obvious. Everybody, even blind person go see and say this one pretend friendship. You not get head, you not get it.
very big.
Oh.
And two of you would have been very, very okay if to say that ignorant Nodi.
Oh.
If you know what concerning Enogie way they side. Me I feel also talk to Enogie. Enogie, a validation you seek if I said it is bigger than the real work you are really supposed to do as a married man. I know say you love Mama Nora. I know say you want to sit down with your family and enjoy your children. I know. But not be the one where they talk for Martin Enogie. The doings where they do, where they take they achieve all those and
now they say I say validation where Enogie they seek for outside is too much. This is how she feel about them all this while. But she has been pretending with them. She just feel as this chaos, everything they happen outside. This is the opportunity for her to let out the real thing that she feel about them. Ah God, thank God they don't go each other's house. Therefore, they poison themselves. The fakeness is just too much. Susan Hill said, Mommy love, na so Krokro do follows Esther talk show. You remember after Conde, he saw that one. Na so she did. Eh? Hey, I believe you. This girl pretends not be here. Just as they pretend follow Selekia we bombasta so. Pretense, fakeness of the highest order. I don't know how these people manage to fake this thing. It's crazy. Hey, God have mercy. Oh, wow.
Oh, Mama, bear your to Enogie, and get a whip, we no get bear your tail with book.
Please help me to share.
Oh, my cat, bear your to care and get it. That's the fair they do foundation before they go. You go,
Please, everyone, help me to thumbs up this video. I beg of you. Thumbs up. I just check on my other phone. There's no thumbs up yet. There's no much. Please help me to thumbs up as you are listening. Please, God bless you.
That's the hair, and you expect the house to stand.
Hey.
Everybody, they said the builders, they will say foundation go solid. If foundation solid before you go come climb up. If to say you even know what they happen and you carry Mama Nora come, how have you been able to even, you see, because you wasn't doing the right thing, because you wasn't following the right process, you cannot even train your wife to follow the right process.
Okay.
You know to see it. Two of them I know what you on the display for outside. We need an animal or always not of the display.
It's an animal in the Zoom characteristic neither they possess, neither they display for outside. This is what big o. This is what big o. Jesus. And you feel like this about them? And you guys are forming friendship? Hypocrisy friendship? God have mercy. More and let una listen. Make me too late.
Listen like that. It be like say two of una big animal, una dey inside zoo where they lock una put, na so una job be. It's so unfortunate that you people can use the emotions of the people who really love you to play like this.
Ew.
Again, if I lose the fans in Enogie, Nora, what kiri will be no sense now.
Ew. Ew.
What kiri will be no sense now, Emma.
Ha, Father, any hypocrisy friend around my life, from afar, from near, Holy Ghost, fire will chase them out of my life. EJ, sometimes I wish God can open your mind. God can open your eye for you to see what people hold in their hearts, what people feel about you in their hearts. Those that preach love, that lick you, that say I love you, oh my person. If God open your eye to see what they truly have inside their heart for you, you know, we'll greet anybody for this life. Hey, it is the apple. Hey, you see, I bet make una like this video. Thank you, Jenny, my beautiful, adorable mommy. I bet make una thumbs up this video, I beg. Crocro, they look go where they hold they hail her. As the Enogie mama Nora be they do there. Mama Memuna, I greet you. You are welcome, mommy. Hey.
It's good at all. The old world, when it come to trouble, people who cannot watch you when you are loving yourselves and showing your family love and displaying the beauty in your family, they will only want to come the time you are now dragging your family online. They are not fans, Enogie.
Okay.
They are fans.
Good
They
evening,
don't miss it.
mommy. Yeah, greet you now very well, Festy. Mommy, Memuna, I greet you, ma. Good evening. You say na serious fire, oh. I'm telling you, Holy Ghost fire. May the fire of God make them uncomfortable to be chased out of our life. I don't like pretenders. I don't like pretense. People that do hypocrisy, pretending to like you when they truly don't like you. Why the pretense? Why the pretense? It's crazy, oh. It's crazy, guys. I don't like people that pretend at all. You know, it's a free world. You like, go to who you don't like, stay off. There's no need to be pretending. She just felt, okay, this is the right time. Everywhere they hurt for them, they are shame and disgrace their side. She just come pour out some part of her mind, how she really feel about them. And giving them the insult of their life, that their character is that of an animal in the zoo. Hey! Evil people will never claim them to be friends. They never even use such word for them. A so-called friendship, look at the word is using for them. EJ. Oh, Lady Shine, I greet you, ma. Good afternoon, Abi. Good evening. I greet you according to your time. You see, I know, say, una they play, but she no lie about this particular people. I know, but how come they were faking it? That is my point, mommy. Mommy Shine Precious, that is my point. How come she feel this way? She know the truth about them like this. How come they are not faking it? Praising each other outside. If I can go and bring previous video, how she have rained praises on Mama Nora and this Enogie. My sister, if we compare what she's saying now, is a two different thing. That is why I'm saying, why the pretense? Why the pretense? So you feel this way, you know this truth about them, and you are pretending and raining praises on them because, oh, make it bad, they pepper them praises. So pepper them, whereas you know that these people, this is who they are, but you are faking it, you are doing hypocrisy. That is my point. That is my point, my lovely mommy. Yeah? Mommy love ask Rita will not be the same animalistic behavior they show outside when doing saga, shouting like market woman. Exactly. Now Facebook friendship now. Oh, scam. Hey, Mona listening, lovely people. Please thumbs up and share.
That is where you are missing it. Even a regular wash during the time of problem, Mama Nora and Enogie. During the time of dragging yourself, you people will say, my fans. What do you mean by fans?
Love and like the video. Please don't forget.
When is the time for you to relax and enjoy? Settle down nicely with your own family. Ordinary this thing, you know, go sit down, see, and I the whole world of when they listen will say, I get fans, I get lovers. Enogie, this is genuine.
He's telling Enogie now, directly say, Enogie the fee, saying get fans, in get lovers, saying a lie, not get fans. Say which fans? Say not get fans. In with why they fight for outside the park on wash and me say he's even jealous of Enogie view. That one is words of jealousy. She say you get fans, you and your wife they fight, they drag each other for outside, the park on wash you. Those are not fans, Enogie. Those are not fans. That is words of coming. That words is coming from the heart of jealousy. Hey, Jesus! Oh, this word is deep, oh guys. Individually, let's be careful. People around us, let's really be guided. Let's be guided, though.
Your wife, Mama Nora, you know, is supposed to be work when you get paper. If you Nora Mana winner, Mama Nora, if you want Enogie to have documents, you are the one that will start it. You have a working permit.
I said,
you see, a problem was me addressing now. If the two of you can,
me I will and say, Crow too, they do eye service friendship. I'm telling you, it's just too obvious. And like just too showed. Like it's just too disgusting about her. That eye service thing. About God forbid. No. It takes low self-esteem people to do that. No, people with high self-esteem can't go that, can't be doing those sort of nonsense like that.
Do this where they talk so. You are afraid that if you don't take paper, it go wrong. But you don't understand the other side. That's why I tell you, say, why una they talk to people where you understand the system, they will not understand.
Okay. See me they can't answer a question because now if I reach Germany before them. Yeah? Hey! You see, I know she never come accommodate their behavior. She is just pretending. She was pretending. That's the hypocrisy I'm talking about, mommy. Shine. Pretense too much. Now you are getting my points, mama. Now you are getting my points. Why the pretense of I too love them. They are my people. Why the leaking of their hearts? Why they feel differently in their hearts? Why? You are welcome, my beautiful lady, Mercy Jones. He said, thank you. You really know Crow very, very jealousy. Very jealous. You can hear it from her voice. Yes. That one way to say people park on wash her. Now from jealousy heart, he talk that one. Say they are not fans. Don't think they are fans. They are not fans. You and your wife, they drag body, people park. The view where no get yesterday. Now she talk that one. Be there for yesterday. That one are from the heart of jealousy. Because she has lots of jealousies in her. She got jealousy spirits. Crow get her. Eh? Hey, God have mercy. God help us. So those that laugh with us, may they not be the worsted enemy. Those that laugh and eat with us, what they have in, what they carry in heart to be so devilish and heavious towards us. God, chase them out by fire. Chase them out by your fire. Let confusion from nowhere envelop them to be confused even over their own self. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, but deep down, the heart is saying another thing. Lips is saying I love you, my friendship, but the heart is saying, saying different thing, hate. Eh? Memuna said, it's not anyone that says they love you truly does. We need to be vigilant. Exactly. Award-winning pretender is Rita. As Mama Nora carry Rita for head reach. Can you imagine? He say Enogie is very greedy. He say Mama Nora is very how did she put it? stubborn or I've forgotten. See the way she died. Ay, Jesus. So you feel this way about them? Eh? Ah, wow, God. That makes sometimes misunderstand the good so you can know people have sometimes. It's good. You just, those your bestie, just have some argument. Then you will not see what they will vomit at about you. Then you will not know that you are eating and dying with an enemy. That I love you is not true. It's not true. Most of them are not true. Mainly to this misunderstanding happen, then you will not know. That's why when people are angry with when you have argument with somebody, listen attentively what they have to tell you. It is their mind they are going to speak out. They used to tell you, I love you, hidden the real thing in their heart. But when misunderstanding happen, they will vomit how they feel about you. They will speak ill about you. It's terrible. Eh? Why she not suggest this paper for them inside house? Ask me, oh. Now when those one, they are shame and disgrace full aside, she just find it, oh, this is the best time. Because she's an enemy to them in disguise. She just said, oh, this is an opportunity. Let me vomit how I feel. It's an opportunity. Please, let me take this call. It's an opportunity. See? No, perdona, no me interesa, gracias. No. Lo que tengo, estoy contenta con eso, ¿vale? No quiero cambiar. Gracias. Allow. Get out. Not by force. All these internet people, they can disturb person. They will be convincing you to come and change what you already have, that their own is cheaper. But the moment you carry them, 1 month, 2 months, they will increase the money. So me, what I'm paying is I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Want something for all the families. It's not too much. For the internet, I'm cool. 100 something euro is what we pay. 162, sometimes 158. It's okay like that. Both contract line, no. So as we were saying, my lovely people, this is an important corner pick. It's not your call. Yay! Now wow, you see, I'm telling you, I shock. Oh, this croc can buy person out of jealousy. That view on and jealousy take up. They say they are not your fans. Enogie, they are not your fans. They gather to come and watch you and your wife and drag you and fooling yourself. They are not fans. Now the view. How wish now they get that view? So people can buy somebody because of jealousy. If Croc get chance, they buy Enogie. In fact, they Enogie your fault than buy. Maybe say the view go transfer to her, she will do it. Jealousy. Someone that is not contented with what they have. Or go more genuine. Let what you have be satisfied with it. Until God make a change. Small, slow and steady, you will get there. Be satisfied. Hey? Okay, hey. You say Enogie is so greedy. And Mama Nora is so Nora is so rude. Yes. So you feel this about them. And you guys are fooling yourself outside doing friendship. Paddy. Let's go on and play it, guys.
You see all those men when they see now, so you can't collect paper, you can't run. Go and check their life. Or see this other life, now then they leave. Mama Nora. Not before Germany, it's not easy. Most of them, they can't turn back the hands of time. If to say they can turn it, they will turn and well again. It's not easy. Immediately they walk. They will also give Enogie working permits to work.
God will bless you. Mia Williams she said, Mama Nora rude. She see Mama Nora not they look person reach anything. Exactly. Thank you for helping me to complete it. I forgot already. Forget. You say Mama Nora rude and Mama Nora don't know how they look person reach anything. So you feel this about her and the useless. They not call her useless. Mama Nora, they carry her for head. Say, oh, return her metal. Return her metal. Say how your metal feel about you. This one, your friendship one they pretend about. People have eyes, they can see. Say na pretense una dey. Say na fake una they do. Say na friendship na scam. Because it's never real. So what's the point? What's the point? Social media friendship among presenters and a scam. None of them like each other. If they are forming friendship outside, just do them like this. No, they don't like themselves. Na lie. It's for benefits. If I did this group, this group follower go they follow me. They will come they comment for me. They will come they share me. Now in a benefits. Pepper them. Friendship, then they do. See person like me, my people. And my own idea, small. I know they rush. So for all they do, my own they go. I like the one I like from afar. I must not come and do gang. I don't like it. I don't believe in it. So if it day my day. The one when I like them from afar. If I see matter, I talk the truth when they inside. I enter house. That's why I know reach for inside. Come they do hypocrisy friendship. I'ma make that you go. Nene, zero koro. I'm not there. I'm not there, my people. No.
Enogie beg me the Germany way don't get people away to go for children. Like I don't get it. Oh,
Hey.
he keep person we hold 3 children or 4 children. Father shall for his
Oh, God bless you. The same thing she do follow Lolo. We make Lolo dump her. Lolo be waste time before he dump her. But she dump her anyways. Mercy just say, this is the reason Lolo dumped her. She smell her bad head. She is crying till tomorrow. This judgeability, fakeness, fake. Filled in a certain way, sugar quotes, faking it. Even Lolo talking. Say her fakeness was just too much. She couldn't even take it anymore. Her fakeness, her judgeability, eye service, friendship, praise, and everything was just too like fake. Even the blind can see it. And it was irritating her. She had to cut it off. And today she's saying she's the one that dumped Lolo. We all saw it that it's Lolo that dumped her. She even said it that time that she was in a shock. That she went to go and hide inside. She could not come out because she was in shock. That the shame and disgrace was just too much. How is she going to face it? After all the worshiping, she was worshiping Lolo. She was praising her. She was doing everything. But today she's not turning it around. Claiming that it was Lolo. And Lolo, Lolo was a mentor. She's not claiming that she's not a mentor to Lolo. Can you imagine? A dirty thing that came on social media looking so tattered, looking so dirty. With her artificial teeth, with her tear cloth, with her unkempt look. She's not saying the otherwise. Let's just listen.
That we ignorant in nothing. That we ignorant in nothing. 4 children with 3 father shots for hands with DNA tested. Everything you know, we still get paper. The wife is not working. That is why. You listen to it all. You know, concern Jamie if you want to start to have another pregnancy tomorrow. Yes. If you want to have another pregnancy tomorrow, definitely hospital will pay, they'll give you more pass, you go born again. But will that solve your problem at all? You know the solve. Now, when you go start to the work, Enogie we have to become a house frag. Hey, there are things where we say, truth when we are not going to lie here for anyway. Enogie, you have to become a house frau, which they call housewife. Nora will go to work. Then can you hear?
He said, "May Enogie come become housewife. Why? Mama Nora will become the husband house." How this get to the think? I try to get her thinking faculty, how it they work. Like he's so like opposite. He said, "May Enogie come." Hey, he said, "May come become the woman." Mona, listen. She go further to explain more. Let's listen.
The spiritual recommended document no spiritual. In the cupboard, it's ready, it's prepared already. It's because you people are not doing the right thing. Now, cause will be say you never take her. Now, cause will be say you never take her. Immediately, Mama Nora started the work. He collect working contract, minimum of 6 hours. The woman, because the document now the woman ain't go work.
God go bless you, Lady Shine. He said, "Now the same rudeness she takes stop a with not to saga her." Exactly. Even when Enogie was saying she does not like Rita, she does not like Rita. When Enogie was with Monica doing puppy along with Monica, alongside with Monica, Enogie said it in 2 videos. I can still remember that he does not like Rita. But baby mama of Enogie has to force Enogie with her rudeness to by force him to like Rita, to by force him to have friendship with Rita, to by force him to prevent him many occasions not to saga Rita. Baby mama of Enogie was wanting to saga Rita many occasions. It was the same rudeness the baby mama using, oppressing and stopping Enogie not to saga. Yes. But she can't record that now. She won't remember that. God, oh.
Now the woman need to work. Now that one I said they provoke document for this country. Ask anybody. Enogie not the only one has this thing day. Most of the people they follow go party. That is how all those men collected their paper in this country. Their wife work. Tell them to tell you the truth inside their home. There's no other hidden something. This is how it is. If priceless will carry that paper home, we bought those children no work. You can never have paper in this country. Even if you yourself, they give you working permits, you can't work. Everything is going to lie on priceless. Everything gonna should be the base of your document for this country. If you don't work, you don't go get them. That is why when I go to do my video, I'll say, you are living in Germany. You are a man. You get wife. Your wife, you and your wife go there inside. You say you are looking for documents. What documents? And for wife to get sweet belly, to they shoulder some kind things for husband. That is a huge sacrifice. Not the children sacrifice in Enogie. Because when your wife will start doing all these things, a benefit they are drop here. So who is the man she's doing that thing for? He has to be a man who will be
when we laugh small. So where's my young teacher they talk? He say Mama Nora needs to ready to work. Why Enogie will become the housewife? Bella, I see your comment. That make me they laugh. God bless you. I bet you what I they talk. As you admiring my beauty, I bet see the year what I they talk small. I beg. And I go I beg you. He say, Mama, your face, your fine face. Now just the look. I know the year what you they talk. You go hear. You go hear, my brother.
That's the family. Okay, go back, go authoritative, okay, this one go all lawyerful. Enogie, a truth is bitter, but this is the reality. He go lawyer finish.
Maybe now when she dey do just as she take work, just as Rita take work for junkie for Germany, take feed junkie. Maybe the same thing she dey work till they take care of Kokobiri for Kokobiri to get paper. Your boss say na her life how she take run her own. She just dey talk for years so. Say she dey work for Kokobiri to get paper. Don't be surprised because as they see na bottle Kokobiri dey pick for years for handover before Rita carry her enter house. After he deports Morocco, go back to Greece. Don't be surprised to say the same thing. Now she dey do follow Kokobiri. That's why she not fit meet up to even give her parents better 2 square or 3 square meal or even clean them up. Ah, God have mercy. Oh, wow.
Because it's not easy. You never work for this country. You see how it is. We have not even done it. Not to talk of who no be meaning to come go work, go sacrifice that kind of thing for you, for your paper to come out. Namaru leye party without the woman ya mwiho dede aya ayo bodono na ya uwoga ya who can say public attention seeking ya Enogie. The truth of the matter. Like the other one. This is the Eyoto where the talk say we you know na my Eyoto. You see all this one wanna do so. You people will come back to the drawing book and do the drawing book where the talks.
Hey.
After I don't tire to give.
Hey, Lady Mercy say now I understand why Crocro they keep Sister Florence for house as house boy. Hey, now own pattern she just they tell these people so because Rita is specialized in one thing. She see a life, a kind of life in people. This description or advice they give them so. This is what she did, and she said it in her story. When she talk about her true life story, and she tell use junkie paper to work, then junkie was the one receiving the money. Junkie go supermarket, go pack meat. Una remember that story? Then go cut and come out. And probably that is what she's also doing with Kokobiri so. And that is what she have done in a previous relationship that never favored her. That make her end up with Kokobiri today. She like to cut her head for man. She like to pay the ultimate sacrifice for man just to get love. She like to go out of her way to do anything for a man. But that's why Nigerian men never appreciated her. Because men believe what they spend on. Men appreciate a woman they sacrifice for. Men does not really value women that sacrifice for them. Men love women that they sacrifice for. The one they have paid the price to keep. Not the other way around. If you want a man to appreciate you, to value you, let him do the undo for you. Let him sacrifice for you. Let him bring the one to be the one let him give you. When you are in need, he will be given to you. On the hands to do my hair, take. My cream is finished, take. I saw one latest shoe in the shop. I love it so much, take. I saw one jeans, take. When man is doing that for you, see, they can never let you go easily. They will never careless around you. Because they know if you leave, they lose. If you leave, they lose. They will treat you right by force. Because they have invested on you. But if you are the one that invests, another person will enjoy it. Another woman will be the one to enjoy it. For God so loved, he gave. Love comes with giving. And it's the man's right to give to you as a woman. You have things to do. You have maintenance to take care of. You have your body to care for. Your beauty needs to be enhanced by some petty things you need. Hey, now what is she do follow man? She do follow Kokobiri. She just tell these people so. May we listen though.
Caesar to Caesar on Facebook. You come and give what belongs to Paul inside the house. Or you come and give it to the government of the country where you live. Because this one is a laid down rules and regulation that has nothing to do with what Facebook is doing. It has a lot to do with this. Nobody, they tell you this one, but this is how it is. Even standard building will tell you, but this is what they expect from you. You see this road where they tell us, so why he left why harayo. But the two of them when me they see so. The two of them when me they see so.
Hey.
A priceless, a baby sacrifice now when I make a Enogie working on Danny. It will only make a banana nickbeer. They still get respect for that man. Priceless. Is you Nora? Women we don't make this kind of sacrifice when they talk so eh? Hey. Now no do what donija. Why irrespective of all the sacrifice when you make? You are still going down. You will still respect them. The paper where you collect all the young when you want to yak me go no.
Please thumbs up the video. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up, lovely people.
That's the way it be. Then we go to bring women from Africa. We go to bring women from anywhere. Now what is the sacrifice? They have been working many years. Yes, it's just that they did it behind the woman. The woman on the day, immediately they come bring the woman. When the woman started enjoying those things with the man sacrificed for before.
How many women sacrifice for we enjoy? Rita, count 5 for me. Count 5 for me. How many women you see say he sacrificed for man? He enjoyed that man rich evening. You see count 5 for me where you know. How many? Rita. Oh, salobua. I don't understand. Really? At this time and age, you still encourage this kind of a thing? Where women don't wise? Where women don't pay the price, sacrifice, start from Tura soap, clean up a man, make sure he stand as a man. Today, where are those women? Many are in depression. Many are battling with their life. No happiness. They have become a sadist. They are left with nothing. They are disappointed. They were betrayed. The man later found out that you are not my type. They left them behind and carry another woman that never knew how the man began his struggles, who stood there by him. There is another person that is now enjoying the fruits of another woman's labor. Now this time I heard now this one they talk now those days. Now some women saw victim. Not this time anymore. So you have to build the man, you have to pay the price, you have to sacrifice, you have to work, you have to do this, you have to pay all. Do where? You know the year. You know the year many they don't disappoint. Begging. Say them directly to, because you are saying it in public. Some people will not get sense of their own, mind of their own. They will just pick. Many gold diggers are out there. Not be all man, no good. If you like, buy yourself for them. If it's time for them to take a walk, they will take a walk and leave you behind. They are very ungrateful. Man appreciate the ones they bring up, they brought up, they pay the price for, they sacrifice for, they've spent on. That men they appreciate. Not be the other way around. Many women do not favor them. Go and ask questions. Go and do your research.
That law, nice today. If to say now you will be the woman drag the documents come, you will still do it. If to say a person will know what you do, now you be. Us bidding 3 years. Us bidding 3 years. Or you been a no give a money. Do we not can win now? Just for the household Make they enter computer, feel look on household, say there's nothing coming from social. That is what the government needs from you. That house, social does not need to be entering there for Enogie to get paper. As long as social money keep entering that house, Enogie will stay 20 years in this country. You know, will collect documents for you.
We have heard on this social media, I don't know how true is it. I have heard particularly from Mama Nora to say, even money where Enogie they get for social media, you know they share with her. Come out to buy things for house, bag of rice for where. Come out to pay light bill for where. I don't know how true is that. Say they pack and go Africa, go they build house. See, man, where you feel make sacrifice for. This kind of way they talk, say you will need to work. The woman can't work. So that because without working, partner, one must work. If one not get, one way the way get supposed to work to fit a gift paper. Depend of the country anyway. So, but if you want that such sacrifice, is more easier to do when you have a man that is generous. That is generous, that he not de staging, he not de self-centered, he not just only know his own. If he gets the share, generous. He dey share if he gets, he not the greedy. If you not get, you also know say you not get, but if you get, they share. That kind of man, you can go to the end of the world for him. You can do anything for him. But when you have a man that is self-centered, is kind of my own, and you are also doing your own. For any woman to make sacrifice for such a man or such a woman, it hard. One good tongue deserve another. You know, you need to know who you are making sacrifice for. If you will gain it, or it will come up well, it will come out well, or you're gonna regret it, or you're gonna like, oh, I don't know. What should you doing sacrifice for? But when we see this Mama Nora and Enogie, they are not united. They are not speaking one mind. They are not in togetherness. They are not. They are together. They are making babies, yes, but that's it. Apart from this, say being one, being united, I don't see them like that. I don't see them being that agreement, that togetherness not there with them. So you see, it go hard. It go hard. What? But mommy love, those kids are under 4 years. 4 years old. How can she go and walk? I not accept that one. Yeah, they are still very little. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. Even 4 years picking self, you know, even if you live and go to work. It depends. If you have EPA, maybe relative around you, or a trusted friend around you, or someone you can trust on to say, okay, oh, MEO picking, or if I go work, if you day kinagati, how they call her, we call it ifati, yeah. If you day ifati, maybe working time not connive with your closing time, somebody can always help you pick it. But she has the senior one, I think is 4 years. There's other 3 younger ones. She can work. She can. She cannot do it. I don't even see those people close, like couple way close to do that for one another. I don't see them to be like that. No. That unit is not strong. Their bond not strong. They don't even get bond. Not to talk of the one when it's strong. You know they. So what is Rita talking about? What is she talking about? Thank you so much, my dear lady.
All the suffer where they suffer for since. What you can suffer for? Children, why did you people do all those things? You come out to say it's because people. Now because they want get paper. Now because of paper, now you can come tell you say you born. And then
Lady Shine say Enogie. He say we na compañero de piso. You don't speak Spanish for there, oh. Compañero. The Spanish language be that. He say with a compañero de piso. Let me say, you be Spanish person before, oh. Abi you first study this our country before you relocate. I don't know because that Spanish you speak there, so. Oh my God.
At the end of the day, he not come there with you.
Make sure careful our case.
He not come to support you. He not come marry you. He not come to show you love. Not be your children you born. He even use the same opportunity to born you. Is Nora be priceless? Pastor Yamari,
You see whether they do jazz for there. See, I say I've been at jazz they walk. No they yeah. Say here more about the war. Here you be ya we word wa. Be a shit speaker. Oh. Oga bola here.
You sure say people want to waste things for fire somewhere for now? Is somebody like a power still there this country for how many years we know what it happen? I pay not tell now. Not the way be that the way away no lawyer. You like to pay lawyer, you tire. There is.
You say if you like to pay lawyer, paper no go come out. The only thing make Mama Nora go work. They take give her paper. Anywhere Belefe said in Benjo we start work once our baby is 3 to 4 months. Baby go to crash. Really? 3 to 4 months? For Spain, I don't think so. 3 to 4 months. Although me not 3 to 4 months. I know about from 6 months, but 3 to 4 months is too early now. Oh, wow. Oh, money matter. 3 months, baby, I don't feel leave am. No. Which kind that billion they want pay me for the work. I don't agree. 3 months, you still need me now. You see the breastfeed. 3 months, see the breastfeed now. From 6 months. No, me, I no go try. 3 to 4 months. No, you still dey me with me. Oh. I know they work that time. Oh. No, even though they will pay me billions, I know will work. It's too early. Now the first time where they disgrace themselves with this blame shifting, okay? Because now waiting she they do. Oh, God bless you, Solomon. When husband and wife they quarrel, especially if they are not God fearing, they can use anything cause themselves. It's common sense. Now when God they one person go waka comot. At least somebody say at least a year. Me I see from 6 months I can risk. But that 1 year is really the correct time. From 1 year old is the best time. Go put her for Guaderia. We call it Guaderia. In Spain, Guaderia. Go and put it in Guaderia from 1 year. Say months. I'm not trying more. I'm not trying. Lie. Money if you wait. No worry in life. Yes, because I have life contracts. Okay. You have life contracts. Okay. Yo. Naisha. If not me, I go stop. Again, when I give birth to my second child, which is my daughter, you know, because say the working place, the cafe, the owner of the company really like me, you know, the way I did the work. He cut my contracts. He said, anytime you are ready, come back. You'll be fine. You know, he cut her. You know. So, and when I was really ready to go back to work, I just sent email to her. Say, I'm ready. Say, really? How is your baby? You see the big gift that they give me. Oh. I go back. Then you sign another contract again, fresh contract for me. 1 year to bond with the charge, and then you transition slowly back to work. Exactly. At least good. That 1 year is the correct time. Even my last boy, I remember now 1 year I take put her for Guadiria. 1 year because of my work. 1 year I not take put her for Guadiria. Now 1 year. Then when I come, I work. The work tire me after some few years. I can't stop. I can't say I don't feel they do long hours again. I want do short time. 1 year is okay. That month, 6 months, well, okay. But 3 to 4 months, for me, I not fit. My man not go reach grants. I'm not fit to.
In this country, and that routine must be followed. That is what everybody is following inside their house. They will not tell you.
He said that is what people are doing inside their house, but they will not talk. Now I be saying, now wait till return do work for man. Although she felt talking or she work for junkie. He said junkie go carry money, buy meat. He go silo meat for supermarket. Silo. He say I go the red. She go the verse, but she go pretend. Junkie go silo meat, silo. He like meat well. Hey God, though. Now wow. Huh? Mama Nora, yeah. Your mentor, they give you expo. Oh way where she take the runner. But junkie still living. Now she still do follow Kokobiri so. May I plug this phone? Man, no verse, I beg. May I bring them out? Sure, me I not go end this life today. May I plug her? Man, no verse, okay? I just felt I should. May I not go? Maybe battery not go take us on our way. Because I said do life before, so the battery was kind of half. No verse, okay? I'm sorry. So let's play it on.
I don't get paper. The man need to work. Then it will be seen in the whatever. Then they will give you wife paper. Same thing to the woman. It never change.
It never change. Yeah.
And you know, go like change. You like you born 3,000 for this country. Nothing they change that law. It's you that need to go and work.
Please,
You see the reason why they address this work. I want
Mama Jenny say you should like this video. Please like, thumbs up this video, guys. Please thumbs up. Mama Jenny, God bless you, ma. Please thumbs up the video, lovely, amazing people. Don't just watch. Please like and love. Don't forget, please, I beg of you.
no. Say now here now wait till they go, because this thing when I dey talk, so if you people put it down in the next 1 year to 1 year and 6 months, a condition will feel with the baby, especially your Enogie. And Mama Nora, you are thinking you have document. You don't have documents yet. You don't.
You say you don't get documents yet. Hey, everywhere belleful say na I do part time. 85% of women in bed or work. Wow. And if it's part time, it's good. It's not long hours. It's good then. It's good. At least it's few hours. Part time, maybe 4, 5, 6 hours at most. It's okay. It's not long. It's okay. He say he never get paper. Can you imagine? Hey, wait, me we listen. Mama Nora, your mentor Rita Kokobiri say you never get paper. Hey, let's listen. Come here, I never listen to this video. As now they listen, so me too they listen.
Because I say you don't grow wings too much. Your man they tell you say you get paper, and you don't even know say you don't get paper. Those documents were.
He said don't grow wings too much. A mentor is talking to her. Wait, I follow her. I will call her. Now wow.
Because of your children. A jama is a drill when you're green for your not a green document.
Even their enemy not even talk rich like this. Even their enemy not even blast them like this. Which kind of friendship they all these people they do for social media? Which kind Instagram friendship that they do? He say it is saying get paper, say never get paper. Say her wings, she don't rise her wings. Jesus. When we listen.
Shiny gun. They will carry the shiny gun give you. This work when you don't want work because
You never get paper. Then which one you going to make you give away? Confuse people everywhere. Ay, Jesus. This thing come high. Come down like that. Hand me that for they see me. EJ. Even their enemy never even people like us will be say we don't agree with those people. We never even put this kind of thing for mass talk. Sometimes those you think they are enemy, they might not even be your enemy. The ones that lick you, that kiss you, that preach love to you, preach friendship to you, that are eating with you, that are closer to you, might even be the worst enemy. Those you think, oh, we know they agree, might not even send you, might not even have bad mind towards you, might not even feel terrible about you. But you see those ones that dine with you, sometimes danger. It's all about danger, danger, danger. No joke. He say he no get paper. Oh. He say they raise up his wings too much. Imagine which paper come from one give away. Oh, as they saw Sarah, now that paper body they so. Lady Shine have hit a point. Oh, see where God will bless your sharp thinking. Lady Shine, God will bless your intelligence in the mighty name of Jesus. He say, as they insult Serekia, now that paper body they go so, now they so, no wonder. Hey, I didn't even think towards that direction at all. No be lie. No be lie. Oh, pay back. Kai. Oh my God, love it. Say for real. A document not strong, mommy love. The documents where government they give not strong for Germany. Is only work that will make it strong. Yeah. They have different type of documents in Germany then. For Spain, once you have your residence, you don't get document, you build it up by working. But document is document. But if you not work, if you go put it for renewal, they will take it back. You have to work. You have to build it. We only have one type of how did they call it again? Aduro paper, which is it used to be yellow those years. I don't know about it now. Yellow. Aduro paper, 3 months or 6 months. I know that one that time. I don't know if it still exists. Because I saw it from one girl hand many years ago. Me, I didn't have that paper. And residence, we don't have any other type. Residence, then you build it, work, building it, then you get to your passport level, obtain your passport, and that's it. We not get yellow, blue, like a paragraph enemy, the way that they get out for Germany. We don't get those kind of documents for you. He said now it's red. Okay, now it's red. It used to be yellow that year, many years ago. I'm talking about 26, 27, 28 years ago. It used to be yellow. I don't know about now. I see her for one of my auntie sister hand that time. Yeah. Yes, we have many paragraph in general. That's what I heard though. Paragraph this, paragraph that, different color as well. Ah, God, now they try over that country. And although you guys are used to the system, you are used to it. Now, wow. Yeah, yellow card then. Yeah, it was yellow card then. Many years ago. From 25 years down, I don't know whether they change them, I don't know. But then, that time where we say me just did 1 year, 2 years for abroad. Now they talk so. Dote.
When Enogie they have so, may take care of children so, make him take get the paper, may not take the live happily in Wakoko Yagba with money. You will do this work alone to remove yourself from fiction behind. You will still do it. When Enogie is not even there again, you are still going to do it. That is Germany for you.
Oh, wow.
All those women, when you go to sit down with for TikTok, they don't know what is happening in Germany. Most of them don't know. Most of them just sit down on Facebook. Even can only have a Facebook. I have a Facebook. With Facebook. Yeah, they don't know what is happening in the country where they live. You see this work where even when you are carrying, when the Enogie is no longer there, you will do it. But that time is going to be more terrible on you. Nora. You see all these things when I talk for this video, go and cut it and keep it. You will remember me in the nearest future. So see, Rita said all these things. Who are you when I name? And when you are not doing it, your children, all the people who go back, when they come in the morning, you say, me, I don't go here because a fiction behind it, going and wish you were born, you see that green fiction behind it. For you to remove
Vision preamble. I don't know that I pronounce that well. What is vision preamble for Germany? Somebody tell me, please. He said they will carry fiction preamble put for her hand. What does that mean? She's even wishing, prophesying whatever to her already. Fiction preamble. No, I don't know that I talk and well. Imagine because person dey TikTok me say he or she not know anything. I just tired. That is a low thinking mentality now. She didn't even say some. She generalize it. Yeah, she generalize it. Yeah. Over Sabi, I know it's all. Whereas she not know. Rita, you just get sense like this. Now you bought for how many men? Now blah boy, you say or computer give blah boy carry wrong. Blah boy frustrates your life for Nigeria after deportation. If you wise, you know go say your computer building carry give man for to buy love now. Who wise cannot even raise that? Who wise? Not they give man money. Now man money go they chop. Go say carry, give me make I carry join my own. Now down a person way wise. Retail don't be claiming you know, you don't know. Cause the error in your life tell me that you don't know nothing. You don't know anything. You're not wise. You say Rita don't know. Rita don't know what she they talk. Okay.
Red payslip. Sometimes they don't even need 3 months payslip from you. They'll be needing 6 months from you. If German want to wicked you. Because even when everything did the computer.
You see all the money where Mama Nora they chop for Jenny, see everything they computer. They go make her pay back. Now so Java people not there yet. Now so they pay on a benefit, they put her for computer, they make on a pay back. Yeah, no. I tire, I don't feel laugh. It's a no manner. Over Sabi we don't know anything. Later on. Now you just finish these two people. Well, you they form friendship with like this. Una friendship for social media na scam, sha. Na scam.
When they throw you into fiction behind you will go there, you will come back, you will go carry children from kindergarten, you will run, go school, go carry the other one, you will they come house, you never sleep, you will they come this time around, you are working to remove your fiction behind you from your hand.
Fiction bishanigo. What is fiction bishanigo? Jama pronunciation funny. Bishop Fenashigo. What it be? Maybe she is talking about paying tax when you are working. Okay. Let me read from here. These people not care about that money. Now we cry pass. Okay. She not supposed to make live stream video for people she called friend. You see? Their friendship na scam, mommy. Na fakey. I don't dey talk am for years. Almost how many years now? Social media friendship na scam. See the way she take bombarded. People will even take these people as they don't be better people, they be enemy. Where they don't offend, they don't even bash them like this. Hey, God have mercy. Papa God have mercy. May who get bad belly for you, not from friendship with you in the mighty name of Jesus. May who they heavy you for one reason or the other, not from friendship with us in the mighty name of Jesus. I rebuke it. It's not my portion. If such person come close to me, Holy Ghost fire will chase them out in confusion. See bash now. Now because Enogie not forgive Sarah, now make body the pepper Rita. Hey, is enemy in disguise? Hey,
For one thing that will make you people to be happy for the rest of your life.
Hey, the bitterness and the vexation. The bitterness and the vexation when she say they bash them. He may woto. It's high. This one a padis or padis. Mama Nora na Rome na it be like godmother to Mama Nora. That one they say na Rita crocro na role model to her. No wonder that one she don't borrow many for Enogie. She go ball for 4 men, make she not worry. She say even with Dario on her head, she say anybody we ready to fuck, make the con say she dey available. She go bon tire. Maybe I won't go reach 6 men. Return go for 4 door. She go reach 6. No say she dey quick the bonbon on her hair. It's easy for her where. She go born reach 6 because return her role model. Yeah. Mind you, I watched that live. She never show her face, so why streaming? She not show her face. Now they play her, so she was showing a bottle of water. Look at it. She didn't show her face. She was showing a bottle of water. Whether it can, I don't know. Because she purposely not show her face. You get why? She have to feed that load where. I come better drive away. She carry, so there were no friendship there before. She just pick Echo better remainers, and Ewi is cheap to buy, very cheap. That one I want me people, very cheap. You can say that again, my beautiful mama Shine. You can say that again. It says she is too bitter, very bitter. That's why we call her bitter, so my darling. Ewi even they offer her to Oviapo Ike Dominion his husband. Yeah, we may play her. Sorry guys, let me go get more water in my cup. I'm coming. Where I play is just listen.
The standing couples just the entire side Lareo, the remarriage in Wegwalohi and Nora. What kind of remarriage are you looking for? Do you know the sacrifice? A marriage, a doctor, a love. Is it about love? I will play love here. What is love without sacrifice? Is love without understanding? Now, so that one husband be. The other person husband won't be like that. This is why I dislike people who stay inside the house. Because the brain here will not be looking like the wall of the ass. It look like penetrated raining. It look like penetrated raining when you are talking. They know the year. You say Enogie knows how to take care of children. Enogie knows how to take care of children. Even when they want to carry you to hospital, you say make the carry pikin follow you. Why not go fit take care of your children? What's here? Why? So you just say now you only you be champion when they take care of children. And then you never even start to promise me. Oh, 2021 Papa, when born pikin go talk to children, you will dey quarrel. And they listen to you today priceless because I never really sit down and listen to you like that. I saw that ignorance work for my darling. You go say, na so you say me they carry the kid follow you, they come carry and follow you. If to say person not their life, I will bow them. person not there alive again. If I buy your mommy a meeting with Sabi and Jack Miato, who want to take care of children? I just tired. Is Nora?
I am back, lovely.
What is this one? The thing when you turn the talk for Facebook today, say, please help me share this video, my darling people. You say, and I saw you know get talk for it back, say, you know, like how you invest for that €100 when you go give Sarah. You see why I always talk about unforgiveness punishes the person who don't forgive? This is why I always talk about it. Looking at Enogie, you don't know, say Enogie don't want to, it not that again, don't pass. But you, your character, your behavior, everything was inside you.
Hey! Una day, yeah? It says somebody like Mama Nora, now kind of woman would say, if he persuade a man to even buy human being. Meaning Mama Nora is a bad woman, terrible woman. This is how she feel about these people? Oh, friendship on social media is a scam. It's a scam. Oh, the reading go they go your eye down for inside heart until one day be one day. They go they carry sugar put for mouth, they sugar coat themselves. Whereas the reading is hidden down the heart. Oh, I feel like shouting. Oh, these words are strong. Even their enemy not tell their life history like this. Eh? Where even enemy not tell them their life history like this, where friendship they talk come out from us. Oh, my people, thumbs up the video. God bless you as you do so. Oh, yeah.
Even when it's written all over to say this person not there again, we don't better and they don't pass. They pass in a lie. Now lie. At the end of the day, what can happen? You don't even know say all those revenge and all those things. You go even make the other person get more gift. No, that's it. This is life. A brain one bad no. God may not make me come do what you go provoke. Go provoke God. Go make too much money enter my enemy pocket. That's why person they use sense for life. Kele pari go gear. Emi ya say no be your face. Go na question jagbe wa if not double a pocket. Yes, of course. Not be betray. Everybody get that character. The character of wa agboyama be we ya person ru pa. E na say la dan do. E do ni fa. I person we person no dey to use a thing ya we man.
And the thing where ya wo we.
Say na so you.
And the thing where ya wo well.
Take do this.
Abata no wa magbe.
You know, I just listen to you today. Everything we just tell you. Say one fuck me. It's available. Make it come do me. Make it come do this one. Eki akbo they can of him. One akbo.
Owo makbo. Rita kokobiri se eki makbo. Ojiye we kokobiri yo wa o. Rita kokobiri se eki makbo. Na make it carry uncircumcised bola. So for the manager for his ass. Kokobiri on we they not circumcised. We makbo. Yeah, una dey here. Now see why this girl end up with Kokobiri? Because May had her. She used money back for wear. She sell computer beauty for wear. She do it be a getting please ma for wear. So say she carry him way. She go prison for Italy for wear. Now she also just accept her fate. So yeah, Kokobiri here I come. He say Kamakpo, Ojiye mwe Kokobiri. They take Yakpo, he end up with Kokobiri. Una de ye? EJ. Oh, low self-esteem. It's all about Ekia. Must it be Ekia? Eh? Must it? What must woman? I don't know. Is it? I mean. Without Ekia, people don't survive? It's a question. Why is some diaspora women all they think about is Ekia, Bola? It's all about Bola. Bola is the order of the day. It's all that matters. God forbid. Good evening, Juliet Osas. I greet you. It's a real scam. Not scam. Eh? Eh? Wetin she go join Iyore dey do? Why she no apply this advice to herself when swearing for Ekobete? Oh, nice question.
Nora, Kai.
Hey.
Man, you get my darling sister. Honestly, I don't know say that's how you be. You see all these things where they happen. It's very good sometimes. I shock to the bone of my head and butter. Where you care for poor woman where they just put money for years, they never even reach how many days. Because all of them the entire video that they talk and say area increasing the single mother. For how long? Single mother they give you for 1 month, they give you for 2 months. Jam or job do one for inside their office. They will carry fiction behind gonna give you break. You carry fiction behind go where you want to renew your job center paper. Job center paper go job center go tell you say go bring this one, go bring the other one. They don't play you like Ludo. They don't play you like Ludo.
Can I get some thumbs up, please? Please, thumbs up the video. Oh, wow. Try.
That one is a very big abomination. To say anybody where you say you can't do me. See, you will be Enogie. If to say a prank now and do so for this one where you make my man Nora talk and do. You say a learner for life. Elena Bata. You say a learner for life. Anybody where you say you want to do me.